Yeah, we're gonna make the cake in a second.
Babybean, what kind of cake are you making?
Yeah, okay. Put the spoon down. Don't eat it right now.
What kind of cake are you making?
Pineapple upside down cake.
Yeah.
You gotta say it.
What are we making? What are we making? What's it called? Pineapple upside down cake?
Yeah.
Put some pineapple in the bottom of here. We lay it out nicely, okay? No, not with your spoon, with your fingers. With your fingers, okay? We want to lay, actually, let's use all of them.
I want that.
You're supposed to do it, Babybean. We're making it our birthday cake.
Put the cherries evenly, space it all how you want it, baby.
Make it look pretty. That's going to end up being the top of the cake.
Yeah, that's going to be the top of the cake. Make it look pretty, please. No, with your fingers.
I can't do it.
No.
My fingers get dirty.
I think we might need some more cherries.
Yeah.
Here's some more cherries.
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 Alright, so we'll drain the juice out of the cherries. Because we're making this for Nana, won't we?
And what is Nana's favorite?
Bowling.
What's cherries?
Like cherries.
Yeah, and bowling too.
Alright,
And
so
bowling?
this is going to be the bottom.
She does actually really like bowling, doesn't she?
This is going to be the bottom of the cake, okay?
Maybe we should take her bowling.
This is going to be the top of the cake.
Yeah.
Okay, do you think that it looks good, Babybean? Is it all sorted out?
Right, so we're going to put our cake mixture on top of this. And it'll be really delicious. Okay? So, you ready to make the cake mixture?
Yeah.
Okie dokie. So, first we're going to do is mix sugar. Pour your sugar in the bowl. All of it. Okie dokie. Now,
That was 1 2/3 cup sugar,
now
right?
put all your butter in.
Or 3/4 cup.
3/4 cup of butter.
Then
I think that was 3/4 cup of
Now
sugar.
mix that. Really good. Don't spill it, okay? Just mix it really good.
this is very different.
Yeah, keep mixing. Yep.
This is easy.
Yeah,
Good.
I was keeping this shut. Do you need me to move?
This is easy. How
I know, that's why I was standing here.
about this is easy?
Yeah. So let me do a little bit of mixing.
How about you use that?
I'll use this one. So,
Papa, don't do it very fast.
no, not get very fast. Got to make sure it's mixed.
Can you move her so she doesn't get hurt?
Hey, Papa, stop it.
Right.
I'm doing it
Go on in.
so hard.
Okay. Just take your time.
I'm to smash it.
No, don't smash it. You stir it.
No,
No, stir it.
smash it up.
No, stir it's important. Because it's a way you're meant to like fold in the flour. Let me show you. You're meant to fold in the flour like this. See?
Papa, you please help me.
I'm helping.
It's not hard to stir.
Yeah,
It's getting stiff, isn't it?
it's hard.
Well, good thing Papa's here to help.
Should we have to
Keep it all in the bowl, please.
Right, we probably should have mixed the. Let's put the baking powder in now. We'll sprinkle that in.
Yeah, so in the future we add all the powders together
Yeah, don't pull my shorts down.
and then all the liquids and then we combine them.
Okay, let's put the milk in.
I get a milk by
Right, good.
myself.
Good job. Right, and let's put some vanilla essence in there.
Yeah.
It's probably not quite.
We need the eggs too.
Oh yeah, eggs.
We need 4 eggs. I think Papa only got 2 out. Let
Yeah.
me get some more
See,
eggs.
Normally,
More eggs.
hard.
Yeah, the home laid eggs are a bit harder to crack, aren't they? Whoa!
Yeah. It exploded.
It's on your apron, so just be careful. Okay, pick out another egg. Oh, that's a big one.
Right. Get your thumbs in there.
Oh,
Oh, good job.
How many do we got in there now?
3, I think 3's enough.
Well, that was a big one.
That was a big one.
Okay, let's put these ones back. Nope. Oh, I don't know.
Jelly baby,
Round one.
out of there.
Well, no.
Baby, the
Papa
round
thinks
one.
3's enough.
Yes, do a round one, Papa.
Right.
That is a little.
No, we don't want any more.
We want one.
Too much egg. Right, that's too much. It's going to be an interesting cake.
Okay, mix it. 2.
Oh my God, I hope you know what you're doing, Baby Bean. Do you know what you're doing? More like marzipan.
This.
Okay, let me put these away. Let go, please.
Oh, I've never seen a cake mixer like this.
Yeah, what have you guys done? I think we skipped a step.
I hope you know what you're doing.
It's all the ingredients for a Victoria sponge cake, but I'm not sure things have gone
Hey,
right.
don't lift it out of the bowl. You're making.
Let me in! Athena, let me in! How's it going, Baby Bean?
So mix it swirling.
Oh, that's looking more like it. It's getting better. You don't want to overbeat cake mixture though, because then the gluten gets too worked and then it makes for a tough sponge.
Uh-oh.
I'm thinking this looks very worked.
Right, where's our...
I didn't-
There it is.
This.
Yeah.
Hi, Baby Bean.
Well, let's hope it tastes good.
Hope you know what you're doing, Baby Bean. Do you know what you're doing?
Did you make up this recipe with Papa?
Hope Nana likes our cake.
Yeah. Auntie, can you go bowl?
No, you can't lick the bowl. It's got too many raw eggs in it. It's not good for you. That's juice.
That's for when the cake's done. We'll make a nice icing out of that juice.
Ooh, sounds like a good idea.
Yeah.
Right, let's put this in here, Baby Bean, and hope for the best.
In it goes. Now we need to set a timer. Maybe 20 minutes?
No,
We'll check on it.
Maybe an hour.
Maybe not, no, definitely not an hour. Does anyone know what they're doing?
Hold on.
Who's in charge?
Me.
Alright, how long shall we cook it for? 5 minutes? I don't think so.
How about we cook it for 25 minutes?
How about we cook it for 35 minutes?
Yeah, somewhere in between that.
Go in once, go in twice, 35 minutes.
See?
Sounds like... No, liquid.
It's liquid.
Oh no.
Maybe it's burned.
Maybe
No,
we
it's
should
not
turn
burned
this heat
yet.
down to 300.
Well, you know what's funny? In the English recipe, it actually said to cook at 375. I'm wondering if that's because they're in the northern hemisphere, because like every cake I've ever cooked is at 350.
Alright, well maybe leave it at 350.